What were the like difficult parts of
difficult
freelancing?
parts? Difficult parts were maybe speaking the language. Like there was a call, I'll be honest, I had like a CTO and like I think he, like obviously he knew I was a junior, but like when he's asking you questions, like do your research. Like you're applying for a job, so you have to do the research. Like they give you requirements of what they're looking for, kind of have a game plan of how to conquer each bullet point. This is like maybe my second one. I did not have that game plan. So at the end of the call, I did not get a call back. So,
Sure.
But from that experience, I learned like, hey, all the answers are here. Like he's telling you, he's like, I need a login page. All right, how would you tackle that problem? It might not be the most efficient way to tackle that problem, but at least you have something to speak on that. Just don't go in blind.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's good advice. And I like that you started out small.
Yeah.
Right? That you get those early wins. in.
Yeah. Get those reviews in. Get those 5 stars.
There you go. Play the game.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then started, and I love that you're like creating relationships with the clients. But I think that whether you're doing freelancing or you're looking for a job, that like creating relationships and a network of people that you can go to is how you're going to find that next one.
For sure. Yeah. And I think there's like, I use Upwork, but there's so many platforms that you can leverage to get jobs, like just freelancing jobs, freelancers.com, Upwork, there's even some Craigslist. I would be shady of those though. But there's a lot of platforms that you could use. And the thing is, like, essentially you're just copying and pasting your resume or whatever and just placing it on different platforms. For me, they're just like fish hooks that you're hoping that one will get that fish for you, and then you do the research and you get the actual contract job.
Yeah. So were you, like, was the idea to kind of use this supplement while you were looking for a job? Or was it I want to try out freelancing because this may be a path that I want to go down?
I think it was a little bit of both. And the reason I said that, because there was a plan that we can have like our own consultancy firm. But like at the end of the day, I would say the ultimate goal was just to like supplement some income while I looked for a job. But then as I started to do it, I realized I don't really need a job. I can just keep doing this. So it was a little bit of both. But there's always security with having a job in the beginning, because you'll have that person, one, you know you're going to get a paycheck every 2 weeks, every month, and you have that mentorship. Like, I think that's really important in the beginning of your journey, is to have that person that when you go into work, you can see the disappointment on their look because you blew up some code base. I feel like that's really important to develop you as a developer.
That makes sense to me.
Yeah.
There's a balance to it, and I like that. Recognizing that in the beginning of your career, how important mentors are, how important learning still is in just learning the basics. It wouldn't surprise me if we, reconnect in 10 years and you have like this crazy consultancy. That wouldn't surprise me even a little bit. Yeah. The way you connect with people just is like, that wouldn't surprise me.